afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her quarterly empties. I know I've been away. I gave birth. I have a child that's my only daughter, who's 5 weeks and a day old today. So it's been hard for me to maneuver and just get around figuring out how to bring back YouTube in such a busy schedule that I have right now. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go through my empties and then I'll be able to throw this away. So let's get right into it. I got this organic foaming facial soap that was okay. I think I got it from a drugstore. Very basic, nothing to talk about. The UFO acne treatment face oil was okay too. No, I haven't seen a change at all, but I'm gonna say I have to give it some return once I get back to my old self again. I got these wipes that I think I got from the drugstore too. They're called Q10s makeup removals. Alright, and then the MAC Prep and Prime, the original one that I have is gone, so I'm using the bestie. She got me one, so I'm very happy and thrilled about that. Here it is, empty. I got the H&M Placenta Plus Coconut Oil. Didn't see any difference with this either. So I'm tossing that away. That's a hair product. I got this makeup setting mist that I think I got from Forever 21, which didn't do much of anything. Sounds really negative so far. This is one of my first makeup palettes, and I'm just gonna toss it right now. I'm just doing this whole minimum and just decluttering and just trying to get rid of as much things, especially things that I know I'm not gonna ever use again, and tossing them. These aren't empty, but I'm getting rid of the box. I do need to find out where they are. I only have one, so I feel like a lot of them are in my traveling bag. That's from an awesome, amazing sister that I love very much, that I watch all of her videos. If I remember how to link her channel, I'll link it down below. This is the rolling deodorant that I was using during the pregnancy. I got the Body Shop. This was the coconut body scrub. This was alright. Really didn't care too much for it. This is a Clarence Cream Super Restoration Day Cream. And that was good. That was really good actually. This was great. This L'Oreal Hydrate Genius, amazing. Right. And the Cover FX, I wore all this awesome because I just put it all over my shoulders. That's amazing. This is a brush that's broken, and this just never worked from out when I purchased it. And this is going to be the I Do a Liquid Eyeliner. Alright, this was alright. Dried up pretty fast. And this is a matted lip, which I still have. It's not empty, or it didn't run out. And this is the Brow Power that I'm still using, which is actually on my eye. Just getting rid of the box. Just doing this journey of like decluttering and having a clear space and things of that nature. So that is my empties for the first quarter of the year. And that is it for you for now. And, the next one will be what, in May, June. So I hope you guys are enjoying your winter break. It is really hot here in Florida. We're in the 80s, so we're just preparing ourselves for a cold front that's coming very soon, for like a day or two. But other than that, everything else well. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Continue on being a blessing to others.